Frontline International presents a step-by-step guide for the Fog Mobile Tank. Our Fog Caddy takes care of oven fat, fryer oil, and grill grease. One mobile tank for the removal of all yuck, no matter where it comes from. First, let's look at removing used cooking oil from a fryer. Wheel in the Fog Mobile Tank next to the fryer. Remove the hose and turn the tank switch on. Place the wand into the fryer's used cooking oil and begin to suction the used oil from the vat. Now empty all the used oil from the fryer vat. Once the vat is empty, turn off the fog tank and return the hose to the tank. And wheel the fog tank to the UCO tank. How to load the used cooking oil from the fog tank to the UCO tank. First, connect the fog tank hose to the UCO tank. Next, unwrap the power cord from the fog tank and connect it to the control panel. Now push Dispose on the control panel. The used cooking oil is then loaded into the UCO tank. That's it. You are all set. Now let's look at removing fats and grease from a rotisserie. Once all cooking is done, wheel the Fog Mobile Tank next to the rotisserie and open the rotisserie door. Carefully slide out the bottom collection tray. Pick up the wand, turn on the fog tank, and begin to vacuum the fats and grease from the tray. Continue until the fats and grease have been suctioned. Turn off the fog tank and bring the wand back to the tank. Close the tray and the rotisserie door. Then, wheel the fog tank to the UCO tank and unload the fats into the UCO tank, and you are done. Lastly, let's look at removing grill grease using the Fog Mobile Tank. After cooking is done, scrape the grilling surface clean. Scrape everything into the grill grease drawer until the surface is clear. Now, wheel the fog tank close to the grill. Pull out the grill grease drawer. Bring the wand to the drawer and turn on the fog tank. Begin to suction the grease from the drawer. Once the grease has been removed, turn off the fog tank and return the wand. Close the grill grease drawer and wheel the fog tank to the UCO tank to empty the grease into the UCO tank. That's it. You are all set. Our Fog Mobile Tank's heated core prevents coagulation, so you can fill the tank whenever you want to. Our Fog Mobile Tank is your mobile, money-saving multitasker.